Welcome to Kishore's Neat Padasala. In this video lecture, we will see about the concept of strain. Okay, so what is strain? Let us see. Strain is nothing but change in dimension of body divided by original or initial dimension of body. Okay, change in dimension of body divided by original or initial dimension of the body is the strain definition. What are the type of strain? There are three types. First one is the longitudinal strain. Longitudinal strain means it is nothing but it is regarding length. So change in length divided by original or initial length. While longitudinal strain is only possible in solids. What is volume strain? Volumic strain is nothing but change in volume divided by original or initial volume. Okay, this is only for liquids. Okay, then what is shear strain? Shear strain is nothing but, see, suppose there is a cube. By applying a tangential force, it is shifting like this. The shift is nothing but delta. Yeah, okay, delta L, delta X, let us keep. Initial length is L. So shear strain is nothing but delta X by L. The shear stress which causes the change, that change divided by initial thing is the shear strain. Now this is a previous year question, but nowadays since this is not in NCERT, they won't ask in exam, but just to remember what is the relation between angle of twist and angle of shear. So psi is equal to r into theta divided by whole length L. So psi is the angle of shear and theta is the angle of twist. Remember that always psi and theta you must take in radian. What is the relation for radian? 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. That is equal to 60 minutes. That is equal to 3600 seconds. This numerical, based on this concept, I have done numericals in the units and dimension chapter. If you have doubt in this chapter, you please refer that video. Now let us solve a numerical. See, there is one frame. Its length is 0.8 meter. Its thickness, that is its thickness. Okay, this thickness of the frame is 0.5 centimeter. What is the shear strain they are asking? Due to one force, it is displacing by a distance of 0.16 millimeter. Okay, now it is like this due to the applied force. What is the strain? Shear strain. Shear strain is nothing but displaced length divided by original length. Displaced length is 0.16 millimeter. Okay, so millimeter I am converting it into meter. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 4 meter divided by initial length of the frame. Initial length of the frame is 0.8 meter. Okay, remember that we are not taking thickness, only the length we are taking. So this is the thing you must remember. They will give length and they will give thick. So you will get confused what to choose, length or thick. See, thickness is same, only length is also same, but here only the displacement in length is there, not there is a difference in thickness. Okay, so the answer comes out to be 2 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, what will be the unit there? Now let us see. Unit of strain is dimensionless. Why it is dimensionless? Strain is nothing but change in one dimension. Let us take change in length by original length. Change in length is meter, original length is also meter, so this and this get cancelled. So unit of strain is a dimensionless quantity. Okay, so strain is a dimensionless quantity. So these are all the things you must remember in strain. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's Neat Padasala. Thank you.